In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Vanguard. If you want to install the Vanguard app on either an Android phone or an iPhone, the process is very simple and only takes a few minutes. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can make sure you're downloading the correct app safely and successfully. To begin, open the App Store on your device. If you're using an Android phone, open the Google Play Store. If you're using an iPhone, open the App Store. This is the safest place to download mobile apps, and using the official store helps reduce the risk of installing anything unverified. Once the store is open, tap the search bar and type in Vanguard or Vanguard Investments. This should bring up a list of matching apps. Take a moment here because this is the most important part of the process. You want to make sure you select the official app, not a similar looking one. The app you should look for is called Vanguard. Save, invest, retire, and it should be listed as being from the Vanguard Group Inc. Always double-check the developer name before downloading. This is a good habit anytime you install a financial app, since unofficial apps can sometimes appear with similar names or branding. After you've confirmed that you have the official app, go ahead and start the download. On Android, tap Install. On iPhone, tap Get and then confirm the download if your device asks you to use Face ID, Touch ID, or your password. The app is free on both platforms, so you should not need to pay to install it. Once the installation is complete, tap Open to launch the app. From there, you can sign in to your existing Vanguard account, or if you're new to Vanguard, you can begin the process of creating an account directly through the app. As a final reminder, only download the official app by the Vanguard Group Inc. Be cautious of apps with similar names, logos, or descriptions, especially when dealing with investing or personal finance. Taking a few extra seconds to verify the app can help you avoid scams and protect your information. And that's it. That's how to download Vanguard on Android or iPhone. Follow these steps carefully, and you'll have the app installed and ready to use in just a few minutes.